Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand a yet another tag. The name is forToken. This is again a part of core tags, and if I try to autocomplete using Eclipse, then definitely there would be two attributes added by Eclipse, and these two attributes are mandate attributes. First attribute is items, where we will give items. This could be like a long string. For example, let us give a string as www.studyeasy.org. Then we need to provide the delims. Now this delims is what? This is nothing but the specific token using which we will separate this string. In our case, we will take the delim as dot. And then moving forward, we will also add in a yet another attribute, which is nothing but our var. Now this variable, this temporary variable, would be the specific variable which would be used per iteration. So let us give this variable name as temp, and then moving forward, in between these pair of tags, we will make use of expressions element, expression language, and we will type in temp. Alright, and let us also add in a br tag. So this looks good to me. Let us execute this page on our web server. And here is the output. Now definitely if we check the JSP file, in here the items, this string has been converted into three separate entities, and this separation is done based on this delim, and the delim is dot, which is cool. Now friends, in place of this string, definitely we can also make use of a variable. Let me show you. For example, in here we have a scriptlet, and inside this scriptlet we for example have a string variable. The name of the string variable is, for example, URL, and we initialize this particular variable by making use of this URL. Right? Cool. And in place of this items, for example, we make use of expressions tag, and we make use of this variable URL, and this is definitely 100% acceptable, and our work should be done and there won't be any change. The output is same. Let me show you. In here, let me also do one small little thing. Let me get rid of this www. Then the output will reflect some changes, and let me re-execute this file, and here are the changes. Perfect. So this is cool, and this is how we can make use of forTokens tag. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and take care.